Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter without sugar. First, gather your ingredients, which are surprisingly simple. You'll primarily need roasted peanuts. For a touch of flavor, you can add a small pinch of salt. It's crucial to select peanuts that are unsalted and unflavored to control the final taste and avoid any hidden sugars. This simple approach ensures a pure, natural product. Next, place your roasted peanuts into a food processor or a high-speed blender. Begin blending and be patient, as this process takes several minutes. You'll observe the peanuts transforming from coarse crumbs into a thick, sticky ball, and finally, into a smooth, creamy butter. Remember to stop occasionally and scrape down the sides of the bowl to ensure even blending. Keep blending until your peanut butter reaches a very smooth and creamy consistency. If it appears too thick or stiff, you can add 1/2 teaspoon of a neutral oil, like peanut or vegetable oil, to achieve your desired texture. For those who prefer crunchy peanut butter, simply add a handful of whole roasted peanuts back into the processor during the last 30 seconds of blending. Once your sugar-free peanut butter is perfect, transfer it to an airtight container. It will stay fresh at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. If you want to extend its shelf life, refrigerating it can keep it fresh for up to 1 month. Enjoy your delicious, homemade creation on toast, in smoothies, or straight from the spoon. And speaking of smart choices, there's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.